Today I am going to show a very simple Arduino project for beginner. We are going to get 4 LEDs to turn on and turn off in a simple sequence. So let's start. Materials we need for our projects: a Arduino Uno board or similar board, a breadboard, 5 jump wires, 4 LED, you can select any color you want, and 4 resistors. The resistors are 330 ohm. So these things we need for our project. Firstly, we set up our hardware. The first step is insert the LEDs to the breadboard. We put the LEDs longer leg positive rail and shorter leg negative rail on breadboard. Same way we insert other 3 LEDs. Now insert resistors. Resistors one leg connect with the positive rail on breadboard, while LEDs positive leg connect and other leg connect randomly on breadboard. Take a jump wire to connect the ground pin on the Arduino to the negative rail on the breadboard. Now it's time to complete the circuit wire. We are going to use output ports 11, 10, 9 and 8. For the output signal, connect the positive LED of the resistor's legs, besides which we connected randomly on breadboard. The circuit is done. Power on the Arduino board by connecting it to your computer using the USB cable. Before we work on our sketch, make sure to download the Arduino IDE for your specific operating system. I'll leave a link in my description where download this software. So check it. Open the downloaded file. We can see there are 3 steps. So the program first create 4 variables: LED 1, LED 2, LED 3 and LED 4. The code in this setup part of the program tells the Arduino that pins 11, 10, 9 and 8 as output. In void loop, first 4 digital writes function about turn on one LED at a time with a 1000 millisecond or 1 second delay between each of them. Turning on the next 4 digital write function turn off the LEDs with a 500 millisecond or 0.5 second delay between each LED. You can verify it by clicking the right icon. If program have any errors, it's showing the black message bar at the bottom of the screen. Before upload, go to the tools and check the board. Make sure the Arduino Uno is selected and your board and port selected COM3. Click on the upload button on the top corner and upload the program your Arduino board. Our program is uploading done. Now unplug your USB cable from Arduino board and plugging with a battery. So you can see their LEDs are start emitting. Our project is done. It is a very simple project. You can try it.